Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I'll be going through the differences between regular nail polish and gel nails. I'm going to break down the advantages and disadvantages of two popular choices in the world of nail: regular nail polish, which is widely used globally, and gel nails, which have become even more mainstream. I'll provide clear explanations of the distinctions between the two to make it easy to understand. If you're new to doing nails and feeling unsure about the various methods available, or if you're using regular nail polish and are curious about trying gel nails, I'll be breaking down each of them in beginner-friendly manner, so I hope you'll watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. When it comes to enjoying stylish nails, what do you typically use? Regular nail polish, gel nails, nail stickers, or any other products are easily accessible at pharmacies or online shops these days, so the way people enjoy it will vary from person to person. In this video, I'd like to introduce the differences between the most widely used regular nail polish and gel nails, which has become a staple in nails over the past 10 years. Let's start by looking at the differences in ingredients. Regular nail polish is what is called a volatile organic solvent, and it evaporates when it comes into contact with air, which creates a film on the surface of the nails. It has a distinctive sharp smell. On the other hand, gel nails are made of a gel-type synthetic resin, which harden with exposure to UV or LED light. I'll explain this drying process in more detail in the upcoming sections. Gel nails don't have the strong smell that regular nail polish does. You can purchase both regular nail polish and gel nails at most pharmacies and cosmetic shops. That being said, regular nail polish is more widely available than gel nails, being sold in a variety of stores ranging from $1 shops to pharmacies, cosmetic shops, and even at high-end brand stores in department stores. On the other hand, while gel nails are also available in pharmacies, $1 shops, and cosmetic shops, the number of shops that sell it is not as extensive as ones that sell regular nail polish. The difference in color variations between regular nail polish and gel nails appears to be proportional to the number of stores that sell them too, as regular nail polish boasts a wide range of color options, whereas gel nails seem to have fewer choices compared to regular nail polish. But gel nails have gained popularity recently, so there are some stores that have a wider range of color variations for gel nails than regular nail polish too. From personal experience, I've found that pharmacies stock more regular nail polish, whereas cosmetic shops and $1 shops stock more gel nails. Next, let's talk about the differences in application methods. Regular nail polish is mostly packaged in bottles, and the brush for application is attached to the bottle. You take the brush that's already dipped in the polish and you apply it to the nails. Regular nail polish starts drying the moment it's applied, so you need to apply it quickly and smoothly. If you take your time while applying and go back over a section that has already dried, the brush will disrupt the dried film, resulting in a messy appearance like this. Applying regular nail polish is a race against time, so it's important that you apply it quickly. Unlike gel nails, regular nail polish has a very smooth texture, so you apply it by lifting the brush against the nails. This creates a pool of nail polish at the brush's tip, ensuring an even and uniform spread on the nails. Also, when you directly apply colored nail polish to the nails, regular nail polish is prone to pigment settling, and color can transfer to the nails. This is true for gel nails as well, so to prevent pigment settling, it's recommended you apply a base coat before the color. And then applying a top coat as a finishing touch enhances the longevity of it too. As for gel nails, there are various types of containers, ranging from bottle-like ones similar to regular nail polish to small containers, and even pen-shaped ones. You can apply bottle or pen-type gel directly to the nails, but for container-type products, a brush is required. Unlike regular nail polish, gel nails have a gel-like texture, so to apply the color evenly, you lay the brush flat against the nails while painting. Just like regular nail polish, the process for applying gel nails involves layering in the order of base coat, color, and then the top coat. Next, let's talk about the notable differences in how they dry. When it comes to regular nail polish, you apply it quickly and smoothly as we discussed earlier, and then you let it air dry until it's completely dry. Depending on the type of polish used, it generally takes around 30 to 60 minutes for the surface to dry, and it's said to take 24 hours to dry completely. You also apply a base coat, color, a second coat of color, and a top coat, totaling 4 layers. So you will need to wait for each layer to dry to some extent before applying the next one. In contrast, for gel, you use a specialized nail light to cure and harden the gel. Check the curing time mentioned for the gel nail you are using, and exposing them to the light for the specified duration will cure it. Depending on the product, exposure time can range from 30 seconds for faster drying types to 1 minute for longer drying types. Regular nail polish starts drying immediately, so it requires a quick application. But with gel nails, you can touch up and refine it until you expose it to the light. When you are waiting for regular nail polish to dry, you can't use your hands. But with gel nails, once you put them under the light, they harden right away, so you can touch them immediately. Gel nails harden due to reaction to UV rays and visible light. So while you can paint regular nail polish anywhere, if you apply gel nails in areas where sunlight hits, like near a window or outdoors, the gel nail might start hardening. So it's important that you apply gel nails indoors where direct sunlight doesn't reach. There are also differences in the tools that are used. For regular nail polish, you typically need a base coat, color, top coat, a wood stick for cleaning up excess polish, and nail polish remover with cotton for removal. For gel nails, you need a base coat, color gel, top coat, a wooden stick for cleaning up excess, a gel nail light, kitchen paper, ethanol, gel remover, and cotton for removal, aluminum foil, a file, and for container-type products, a brush is also necessary. Looking at the tools used for these, you can see that regular nail polish requires fewer items, making it more budget-friendly and cost-effective. Regular nail polish itself ranges from inexpensive $1 products to high-end, expensive ones by luxury brands. The gel for gel nails can range in price for as low as $1 to several dozen dollars per piece too. The number of tools required for gel nails is much higher compared to regular nail polish, so the initial cost tends to be higher when getting started with gel nails. But once you've got everything set up, it lasts for a long time, so the expenses are mainly concentrated on the initial setup. Additionally, there's a significant difference in the finished appearance. Regular nail polish, being closer to a liquid, dries to a thin film with less shine, while gel nails have a thicker coating, resulting in a plump, shiny, wet look compared to regular polish. Gel nails are also known for their versatility in nail art, allowing for a wide range of possibilities like blending in color gels or embedding large Swarovski crystals. Regular nail polish dries quickly, making it challenging to mix colors. And even if you embed any crystals, the thin coating causes them to come off easily. As a result, there is also a difference in how long each lasts too. As explained earlier, regular nail polish has a thin coating with weak adhesion, leading to chipping or peeling within about a week, requiring a touch-up. In contrast, gel nails last approximately 3 to 4 weeks, so roughly a month. Actually, with proper preparation, gel nails don't chip or peel even after a month. But after a month, the base starts to empty out as your nails grow, and the tips become longer, making daily activities uncomfortable. So this is about when a replacement becomes necessary. Regular nail polish tends to chip, making the appearance unpleasant. On the other hand, gel nails are known for their durability as they maintain their appearance without changing much and only need to be replaced due to them becoming too long. Regular nail polish is prone to peeling, requiring caution against bumping the tips or excessive water exposure. But gel nails resist coming off even with some impact or exposure to water. But this distinction directly affects how they are taken off too. Regular nail polish is easy to remove because its coating is thin and fragile. All you need to do is dip a cotton ball in nail polish remover, gently rub it, and wipe away. In contrast, gel nails require much more effort to remove. The gel nails need to be filed to gently smooth out the surface of the gel. Then a piece of cotton soaked in gel remover needs to be placed on the file nail and wrapped up in aluminum foil before letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After removing the foil, use a wooden stick to gently rub off the lifted gel nails. It takes approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour to remove gel nails from both hands, which is longer compared to the few minutes that are needed to remove regular nail polish. So you can see that regular nail polish and gel nails have their own advantages and disadvantages. Regular nail polish doesn't last long, but is readily available, cost-effective, doesn't require special skills, and is easy to apply. On the other hand, gel nails require initial investment in the tools, but the glossy, plump look and longer-lasting nature is appealing. If you find it challenging to do your nails regularly due to work or school commitments, you might enjoy a quick and easy manicure with regular nail polish on weekends. On the flip side, if you are looking for something longer-lasting, you might want to give gel nails a go. Ultimately, it's about aligning your choice with your individual preferences and lifestyle. I hope you take inspiration from this video and enjoy both methods. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.